How are you all sharing with you guys today? The same more healthy breakfast be if you're also inside the blood deficiency due to calcium deficiency or vitamin D deficiency. The bones are weak, so it's a recipe for you people. If the recipe video is helpful for people up, then it will be more and more. If you are new to the channel, then you will definitely subscribe, so let's go. Start making this healthy recipe. So to make this recipe, I've taken an open pan here with 1 teaspoon of ghee. I have melted the ghee. We will put flowers in it, which I have added 1/3 cup to us absolutely light inches. If you roast, then see that there are a lot of benefits of flour houses. There are plenty of nutrients found inside it in potassium, magnesium, proteins. If it is found, then see here that these roasts have been done on this stage. We will take it out within a word. Take out the next step towards the next step. In the step inside the bean pan, we'll put the joker porridge, which I took about 1/3 cup. I'm using it very fine oatmeal, which is very healthy, and I've put this inside. We have kept heat very low, and I've set about roasting it. Roast it for 5 to 6 minutes. So first we have to dry roast the porridge. Roast this for about 5-6 minutes on a very low flame. Now that it has roasted, the color has started changing slightly. So at this stage we'll add the ghee, which I've added is about a teaspoon. You can use desi ghee or you can use butter in it too. Add and fry it very well. Look, it's starting to pop up lightly. At this stage, I've turned down the stove heat, and after turning it off, at this stage, we'll now add milk into it. So I'm adding milk into milk. This is low-fat milk that I've added. At this stage, we will use 1 cup and we'll use the other cup later. So for this, we'll take a mixer. If we leave it to melt at a very light inch, then about 20, we'll cover it for 25 minutes and cook it. If you are at a very light inch, you will check the cover for 25 minutes. It's been about 25 minutes since the oatmeal was cooked. So see if there was a very light inch so that the porridge would not look light to us. I could see if I had left it to melt. This porridge has melted our cup of water on top of this stage, and I have added a cup of milk by mixing it. We'll take the porridge now. I've mixed it lightly. We'll be allowed to cook at inches as long as it cooks next step. Now I put 20 numbers of almonds here to soak. It was given and it is well soaked, so take off its peels. If we're going to blend, see here I've taken off all the peels. I put some water in the mixer and it will blend and put that finished paste. If you see inside the porridge, our heart is ripening at a very light inch. On top of the stage, we'll mix it first, as well as after mixing it, we will add it to it. This paste of almonds has gone inside it. Now we will put flowers on top of it. The flowers that are made, I did not roast a little. It has become absolutely crunchy with the help of hands to break it in this way. We'll put it inside, so see if it's such a healthy breakfast. It's a recipe that you can eat in the winter as well as in the summer. Summer is not harmful at all. You can see in it the things I've used are very healthy. It has a lot more benefits than point of view. Has now mixed up the cinnamon inside it on top of this stage. I can also put the flavor on top of this stage now for sweets. I can also use honey up masri inside it. Sugar can also be used as it is your own custom. Tablespoon, I have poured honey and mix it well. We will do it and we will take it for a little while at a very light inch. If you let it cook, see it's cooked perfectly well. Slightly it has started to thicken up above this stage in it. I'll put more leftover flowers, so I'll crush them. I've put it and I've put it like that, just more of it. We won't cook, we'll just mix it and we'll just mix it. If you dish out, eat it for breakfast. If you eat a boiled egg, it's very much yours. There will be more healthy breakfast, and give it to all the children and the elderly. You can eat something that's too healthy. If you feel more energy, then make it up at home. You can store in the fridge if it relates to the recipe. If you have any comments, you can do me and ask you. If you could, this was my today's healthy recipe feed after trying it. If you like the video, don't forget to share it. And where did you guys get this recipe of mine from? Don't forget to give your presentations in the comments section. Then there will be another new meeting. As long as you take great care of yourself with the interesting video. Allah Hafiz.